There are places in your home where you rest, and there are places where your mind never truly feels at peace. Your bedroom is more than a room with walls and furniture. It is the place where your body releases the weight of the day, where your thoughts become quiet, and where you prepare yourself to welcome a new morning. The position of your bed can influence how a room feels. When your bed is placed in a stressful or uncomfortable position, you may notice that your sleep feels restless, your mind remains busy, or the room never seems peaceful. This is why many ancient traditions teach us to create harmony between ourselves and the space around us. If your bed is directly aligned with a doorway, consider moving it if your room allows. Instead of placing your head where you feel exposed to constant movement, choose a position that gives you a stronger sense of stability and calm. Let your bed rest against a solid wall when possible, so that when you lie down, your mind receives a simple message. You are safe, supported, and allowed to rest. Do not think of this as a magical command that forces money to appear. Think of it as a practice of creating order. When your surroundings become calmer, your thoughts can become clearer. And when your thoughts become clearer, you make wiser decisions, notice opportunities more easily, and carry yourself with greater confidence. Look around your bedroom. Is there clutter beneath your bed? Are broken objects gathering in corners? Are old things taking up space simply because you have become accustomed to them? A peaceful room begins with releasing what no longer serves you. Clear the space around your bed. Open the curtains and allow natural light to enter. Keep the floor clean. Remove objects that remind you of stress, conflict, or unfinished responsibilities. Your bedroom should speak quietly to your mind. This is a place of restoration. If there is a mirror directly facing your bed and it makes you uncomfortable or disturbs your sleep, consider moving it or covering it at night. The purpose is not fear. The purpose is peace. Your sleeping environment should contain as few distractions as possible. And remember this: wealth is not only something that enters through a door. Wealth begins with the way you think, act, choose, and respond. A peaceful environment can help you become more intentional with your time, your money, your relationships, and your opportunities. Tonight, before you sleep, look at your bedroom with fresh eyes. Ask yourself, does this space support the person I am becoming? If something feels heavy, change it. If something is unnecessary, release it. If something creates disorder, organize it. Then lie down peacefully. Take a slow breath. Let go of today's worries. You do not need to chase luck. You do not need to force abundance. Begin by creating harmony where you are. A clear room can encourage a clear mind. A clear mind can lead to better choices. Better choices can create better circumstances. Move your bed toward a position that gives you stability, comfort, and peace. Then move your thoughts toward gratitude, patience, wisdom, and possibility. May your home become a place of calm. May your mind become a place of clarity. May your actions create opportunities. And may the energy you bring into the world return to you through peace, kindness, wisdom, and abundance. Move your bed away from the doorway. Position your bed where you feel secure and supported, ideally against a solid wall rather than directly aligned with the door. The place where you sleep should give your mind a feeling of safety, stability, and peace. One simple change you can consider is moving your bed away from being directly aligned with the doorway. When the bed sits directly in line with the door, the constant movement and visual openness can make the room feel less settled. Even when you are not consciously thinking about it, your mind may remain slightly alert to sounds, movement, and activity outside the room. Instead, if your bedroom allows, position your bed against a solid wall where you can comfortably see the doorway without being directly in its path. This arrangement can create a stronger feeling of support and calm. It is not about believing that a particular position magically creates wealth. Rather, it is about creating an environment that encourages relaxation and clarity. When your body rests in a peaceful space, your thoughts can gradually become quieter. A quieter mind can help you wake with more energy and make better decisions throughout the day. Those decisions can influence how you manage your money, relationships, work, and opportunities. Look at your bedroom tonight and notice how your bed is positioned. Ask yourself whether the arrangement makes you feel protected, comfortable, and relaxed. If it does not, try a small adjustment. You may discover that even a simple change makes the room feel more balanced. Remember that abundance begins with awareness. When you bring order to your surroundings, You also create an opportunity to bring order to your thoughts. Move your bed with the intention of creating peace, not fear. Let your bedroom become a quiet place where your mind can rest, your energy can renew, and your next day can begin with greater clarity and confidence. Create a peaceful sleeping environment. Remove clutter, broken objects, and anything that creates stress or negative feelings in your bedroom. Your bedroom should feel like a place where the noise of the outside world becomes quiet. When you enter this space, your mind should slowly understand that the day is coming to an end and that you are allowed to release your worries. One of the simplest ways to encourage this feeling is to create a calm and orderly environment around your bed. Begin by looking at everything surrounding your sleeping space. Are there piles of clothes waiting to be organized? Are there old boxes and used objects, broken items, or things that constantly remind you of unfinished responsibilities? When too many objects remain around you, your surroundings can feel mentally heavy. Even if you do not consciously notice the clutter, your mind continues to process what it sees. Remove what you no longer need. Keep only the things that bring usefulness, comfort, or beauty into your space. Give your bedroom room to breathe. Clean the floor, organize your belongings, and allow natural light and fresh air to enter whenever possible. This simple act of cleaning can become more than a household task. It can become a practice of letting go. When you remove unnecessary things from your environment, you create a reminder that you can also release unnecessary thoughts, worries, and attachments. Do not clean your room because you are afraid that bad luck will enter your life. Clean it because peace deserves space. A peaceful environment can help you sleep more comfortably, think more clearly, and begin each morning with a calmer mind. When your surroundings are organized, your attention becomes easier to direct toward what truly matters. And when your attention becomes clearer, you may notice opportunities that were previously hidden beneath stress and distraction. Create a room that welcomes peace first. Let prosperity grow from clarity, discipline, grady. Clear the space around your bed. Keep the area clean and open to encourage a sense of calm, order, and mental clarity. The space around your bed carries a quiet influence over the way your mind feels at night. When the area is crowded, dirty, or filled with unnecessary belongings, it can become difficult to experience a deep sense of calm. This is why clearing the space around your bed can be a simple but meaningful practice. Begin by looking underneath your bed. Many people use this hidden space to store old clothes, boxes, papers, shoes, or objects they rarely use. Over time, these forgotten things can create a sense of disorder. Take everything out and decide what truly needs to remain. If something is broken, useless, or connected to an old chapter of your life that you are ready to release, consider letting it go. Then clean the floor and the areas beside your bed. Keep the pathway clear. Remove unnecessary objects from your bedside table. Allow the room to feel open rather than crowded. The goal is not perfection. The goal is creating a space where your body and mind can relax. As you clean, let the action represent something deeper. Imagine that you are making room not only in your bedroom, but also in your life. Release the thoughts that repeatedly disturb you. Release old resentment. Release the fear that tomorrow must be controlled today. When your physical surroundings become simpler, it may become easier to focus on what deserves your attention. You can wake up feeling less overwhelmed and more prepared to act with patience and purpose. Do not think that clearing your bedroom automatically attracts money or guarantees good fortune. Instead, see it as a practice that supports clarity, discipline, and peaceful habits. These qualities can influence the choices you make with your time, finances, work, and relationships. A clean space does not promise a perfect life. It simply gives your mind a calmer place from which to build one. Remove distractions that disturb your mind. If mirrors, excessive objects, or other features make you uncomfortable at night, rearrange them to create a more restful atmosphere. Your bedroom should help your mind become quiet, not give it more reasons to remain awake. Sometimes small details in the room can become distractions without us realizing it. A bright mirror facing the bed, a television playing late at night, piles of objects, harsh lighting, or reminders of unfinished work can keep the mind engaged when it should be resting. Take a gentle look around your sleeping space and notice what attracts your attention when you lie down. If a mirror directly facing your bed makes you uncomfortable or causes you to become more alert, consider moving it to another position or covering it at night. There is no need to fear the mirror or believe it possesses harmful power. The purpose is simply to create an environment that feels peaceful to you. The same principle applies to electronic devices. If your phone, television, or computer keeps pulling your attention toward messages, entertainment, or stressful information, create some distance between these distractions and your sleeping area. Give yourself permission to step away from the constant movement of the outside world. Your bedroom should remind you that you do not need to solve every problem before closing your eyes. Some matters can wait until morning. Some questions do not need an answer tonight. When you remove unnecessary distractions, you create a quiet space for reflection. In that quietness, your breathing can slow, your body can relax, and your thoughts can become less scattered. This peaceful environment can also influence how you begin the next day. Better rest may leave you more focused, patient, and prepared to make thoughtful decisions. Connect your environment with abundance. A peaceful space can support a peaceful mind, helping you make wiser decisions, recognize opportunities, and build a life of greater prosperity and positivity. Abundance does not begin with the amount of money in your hands. It begins with the way you think, the choices you make, and the energy you bring into each moment. Your bedroom can become a quiet reminder of this truth. When you create a peaceful environment, you are giving yourself a place where clarity can grow, and clarity can influence the decisions that shape your life. After arranging your bed, clearing clutter, and removing unnecessary distractions, take a moment to sit quietly in your room. Breathe slowly and allow your attention to settle. Instead of thinking about everything you do not have, become aware of what is already present in your life. Gratitude can change the way you see your circumstances. It does not mean ignoring difficulties. It means refusing to let difficulties become the only thing you see. When your mind is calmer, you may begin to notice possibilities that were hidden by worry. You may recognize a new idea, approach a problem differently, manage your resources more carefully, or become more willing to take a meaningful opportunity. These practical actions are where lasting improvement begins. Do not expect the position of your bed to magically create wealth. Let it symbolize a deeper commitment to balance and wise living. Every time you enter your bedroom, remember that peace is something you can cultivate through your actions. Keep your surroundings orderly. Protect your rest. Speak with kindness. Spend with awareness. Work with patience. Give yourself time to grow. Good fortune is not always a sudden event. Sometimes it appears as a clear decision, a useful connection, a new opportunity, or the strength to walk away from what no longer serves you.